Hi, this is Mutazim with you again in a new example to show you how to read a user input. In this example, we are going to calculate, we are going to input two inputs, x and n, and then calculate the n to the power x to the power of n, and then find the minimum of the two inputs. All right, so right click, I'm gonna create a new class, call it PowerTest, and include the main method. We have it and the body here. So as we saw in the previous video, first we create a scanner object. Second, we create the variables that they are gonna hold the user input, and then we make the calculation. So the first thing, to declare a scanner object, I'm gonna call it because our input it will be integer, so I'm gonna call it integer scanner object equal new scanner system dot n, and to the end here I'm gonna say semicolon. We have a couple of issues like before. One of them is to import java.util package. The other one is the leak, as I show you in the previous video. And I create an object now. I need to create a variable to hold the x value. Or the first input, I'm gonna say integer, call it x equal, and how x gonna hold that value, we say integer scanner object dot next integer, so next integer, and to the end semicolon. All right, now the other variable again, or the other input integer, I'm gonna call it n equal again int scanner object, but again we are going to use this next integer method to read that input, to the end again semicolon, and now we can calculate the two inputs. So we can calculate x to the power of n. To do that, system dot out dot print ln, and to print that we use math dot power method, and we are going to use the first argument or variable is x, the second is n, to the end semicolon. All right, and also we need to calculate the minimum of x and n. So I'm gonna say system dot out dot print ln open brackets, I'm gonna say math dot minimum method, as you can see, but because we are using integer, I'm gonna select this, and it's x, double click, and here it's n, and semicolon. All right, now the application is working fine. We just have this leak. Don't forget to close your scanner. Okay, integer scanner object dot close semicolon, done. Now I'm gonna run this. If I run this, as you can see here in the console, there is nothing to tell me what I need to do, right? But I know I'm gonna enter 2 and then enter 3 and then enter. So notice this is decimal, all right, and I can't understand as a user, I can't understand anything here. I just need to do some change here to clarify what the user need to do. Okay, print ln, I'm gonna say please enter the value for x, all right, and to in the end semicolon I'm gonna copy this, copy, and here paste it into the value for n. All right, save it, run it. Please enter the value of x. Now it's at least I know what I need to do, right? So 3 to the power of 2, that's 9, and the minimum between 3 and 2 is 2. But still, those is not clear for me, so I'm gonna do some change here. Maybe I can say I can convert the result of the method power to integer, so it will not show me this. Now here open quotation marks and say x plus x plus 2. Okay, it's not like that. So it's x plus to the power of n and quotation marks equal, close it again, and plus. Now what's the problem with this? We don't have any plus here. Now, so I'm gonna say 4 to the power of 2 is 16. All right, we can keep space here, and 4 to the power, we keep space here, save, run. Please enter the value for x, let's say 5 and 3 or 2. 5 to the power of 2 is 25, and here 2 is not clear to the user. I'm gonna do the same and try to so saying the minimum of x n close bracket equal, come here and C plus. Now it's maybe better, 3 4 3 to the power of 4 is 81, the minimum of x n and 3, but I need those to be changed based on the input, so I'm gonna say delete this and say here plus x, all right, plus comma plus n plus close the bracket and equal. All right, now the last try, let's say 5, say 2, 5 to the power of 2 is 25, the minimum of 5 2 is 2. I hope that's helped. Thank you and see you in next